We're in Green, Texas. It's considered one of the nice places. Hopefully my voice is coming out good and I'm not getting picked up by wind. But we're gonna check out the river here real quick, right? And see how that looks like. This here tree was born in the year 1. I guess that's the beginning of the earth. Okay, I gotta guard it real quick because the lens falls and
I'll hold it.
You
stand on that side and talk.
No, it's because it has a. I would prefer to put it down on the ground. And,
you want me to put it right there in the water? You just clean up the little patitas?
Yeah, put it right there. See if
We're in the water?
Yeah, in the water. Put it right there where it's flat. See if it won't fall. A little bit more closer to the edge.
There.
Right there.
That's flat.
It's too low, but it's okay. It's all right.
Is it waterproof?
Yeah, it's waterproof. It's going all the way around.
La mira está.
Oh, it's being compressed. Let's give it another 30 more seconds and then I'll